Children, yesterday I was taught you geography lesson third, earth movements and major landform. In this chapter, I taught you volcanoes and earthquake. Earthquake means all of a sudden of the earth shaking. It's called earth movements. All of sudden movements of the earth called earth. An earthquake is sudden vibration. Look at the page number 92. An earthquake is a sudden vibration, isolation or shaking of the earth caused by rupture and sudden movements of the earth. It is a form of wave motion energy which is transmitted through the surface of the earth. It is generated at the point called focus, which lies within the crust or mantle. Its depth generally varies from 10 to 700 km below the earth's surface. The point where the shock wave reaches the surface first is called epicenter. कहने का मतलब ये है, यहाँ पर पृथ्वी के अंदर से जहाँ भी भूकंप शुरू होता है वो तो फोकस होता है, और उसके सीध में पृथ्वी के ऊपरी भाग में सरफेस में क्रस्ट के ऊपरी परत पर जो पॉइंट बनता है वह एपिक सेंटर कहलाता है, विच इज जस्ट अबव द फोकस. कहते लिखा है विच इज जस्ट अबव द फोकस. द वाइब्रेशन spread out as concentric waves from the focus. The intensity is maximum near the epicenter. कहते हैं intensity is maximum near the epicenter. Type of earthquake waves: प्राइमरी वेव, सेकेंडरी वेव, सरफेस वेव. ये आपको कल बताया था मैंने, फिर से देखेंगे. प्राइमरी वेव्स कहते हैं, पी वेव्स कहते हैं, आर पुश वेव आर द फर्स्ट टू रीच द सरफेस एज दे आर द फास्टेस्ट. द प्राइमरी वेव्स कहते हैं, these waves usually travel at the speed of about 6 km per second. These waves cause relatively small displacement. Secondary waves को एस वेव के नाम से जानते हैं. कहते हैं same waves are the next to arrive. Their rate of movement is less than that of the P waves. These waves produce a strong shaking action. They do not move through liquids. Surface wave. The surface waves are the last to arrive the travel over the surface of the earth. These waves are very powerful and cause the most damage. Their effect is not witnessed at great depth. The earthquake waves are recorded by an instrument called seismograph. जिस यंत्र के माध्यम से वेवों का रिकॉर्ड किया जाता है उसे क्या कहते हैं? seismograph कहते हैं. The science of study earthquake is known as seismology. कल बताया था जिस तरह से बायोलॉजी, जंतु विज्ञान को बायोलॉजी कहते हैं, इसी तरह भूकंप का जिस विज्ञान में अध्ययन किया जाता है उसे सेस्मोलॉजी कहते हैं। द मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ द अर्थक्वेक इज मेजर्ड ऑन द रेक्टर स्केल। अब इनको जिसमें मापा जाता है वो रेक्टर स्केल कहलाता है। The numbers on this scale range from 0 to 9. An increase of 1 unit on this scale represents a 10-fold increase in the earthquake's strength. Distribution of the earth. There the areas of the earthquakes on the earth are associated with recursion. Violent earthquakes occur frequently in the areas of the volcanicity, that is, the belt surrounding the Pacific Ocean, known as Pacific Ring of Fire. The main earthquakes dwelled on the earth area are as follows. First, Circum-Pacific Belt. Second, Mid-Continental Belt, Mid-Atlantic Ridge Belt, ये मुख्य बelt है। Circum-Pacific Belt. The Circum-Pacific Belt includes the coastal margins of the North America, South America, and East Asia. These regions account for about 65% of the total earthquakes of the world. This belt coincides with the Pacific Ring of Fire. Mid-continental belt include the Alpine Mountains, Mediterranean Sea, Northern and Eastern Africa, and Himalayas, which are caused due to the movement of lithospheric plates in opposite direction. In India, earthquakes occur frequently in the Himalayas. Their foothills and the Ganga-Brahmaputra valley. Earthquakes of severe intensity have occurred in Assam, North, Bihar, Kashmir, and Kutch. The Deccan Plateau was considered relatively free of the earthquakes until a severe earthquake rocked Konya town in 1967. Another severe earthquake occurred in Bhuj, Gujarat on the 26th January 2001, in which the resulted in the death of 30,000 people, death of करीब 30,000 लोग मारे गए थे, जो 2001 में गुजरात जो आया था भुज में, उसमें लगभग 30,000 लोग जान से मारे गए थे। A massive earthquake struck Afghanistan, Pakistan, and India in October 2015, leaving around 40,000 dead and wiping out several towns and villages. The April 2015 Nepal earthquake killed nearly 8,000 people in Nepal and more than 100 people in India. Thus, 2016 Imphal earthquake struck northeast India in the state of Manipur on January 4 with an magnitude of 6.7 At least 11 people were killed, 200 others were injured, and numerous buildings were damaged. Effect of earthquakes. Although the earthquake generally lasted for few seconds only, it is one of the most powerful events on the earth. The severe earthquake may release energy 10,000 times as great as the first atomic bomb. The destructive effect and earthquakes include the following. It causes loss of lives and property. Second, building, bridge and other structures are damaged and destroyed. Third, fire resulting from rupture of power lines is a major danger. Spills of hazardous chemicals are also very damaging. Rivers often change their course. Landslides occur in mountainous regions. 7. Destructive sea waves called tsunami are caused by under as earthquakes. Now, next day